Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. So I'm still in holiday mode, so therefore only audio podcast, so no video. So probably we will start the video from Wednesday. Tomorrow is a holiday, so I'll be enjoying in Mumbai. So coming back to our markets, what a fantastic fall and what a fantastic recovery. Nifty GIFT Nifty was indicating only 40-50 point down, but everyone knows Nifty will fall more than 100 point. But nobody expected Nifty to fall 200 point. And not only that, the important technical levels were broken. And Nifty broke last Thursday's low. Last Thursday, Nifty went to 19,300 and then recovered. Now, even that was broken. Nifty went to close to 19,250. But one good thing is that, so I told you, if Nifty closes below 19,400 on a closing basis, and the markets will turn bearish. But surprisingly, Nifty shot up 200 points from the low, and then Nifty closed about 19,400. Not only that, Nifty closed in green. That nobody expected in the morning. So one good thing, one good hope for the bulls is that the Nifty is still not technically bearish. But however, it can happen anytime. What was surprising, the European markets recovered in the afternoon. The US futures also turned positive. So of course, when the markets are falling like this, at some point of time, the domestic institutions will be supporting the market. So that is how the markets started moving higher on short covering. But whether this will sustain or not, only the time will tell. And moreover, today there was a reason for the people to cover their shorts by taking advantage of a big gap down and a big fall in the morning. Tomorrow is a local holiday. So when I say local holiday, it's a holiday in India, but it is not an international holiday. Suppose tonight US markets goes higher, then tomorrow also market goes higher, then day after tomorrow here there may be a huge gap up. But the same thing can happen in the opposite side also. Today US markets can fall and tomorrow US markets can fall, and day after tomorrow there can be a huge gap down also. That possibility is also there. But since the market has already fallen so much and trading at support levels, so at the time of our trading in the afternoon, European markets were in green, US futures were green. Of course, now they've turned red. That's a different story. So the people don't want to carry positions over the holiday. So therefore, they have squared up, and probably in the system there are more shorts. So they squared up their shorts, so the markets went up. So we are yet to see whether this trend will continue. But normally in an uptrend market, here and there some profit booking can come, but ultimately market will go up, and people are waiting for a strong signal so that they can short the market, because the uptrend was so huge from 16,800 to 20,000, which was more than 3,000 point. As expected, FIIs were net sellers, and today also they have sold for 2,300 crores, which is very, very huge. On Friday, they have sold for 3,000 crores. Today, they have sold for 2,300 crores. So that means in just 2 days, they have sold for more than 5,000 crores. So it is really puzzling why FIIs are continuously selling. In fact, in the month of August, except one day when they bought about 300 crore, and all trading days, they were net sellers, and recently their selling is being aggravated. So aggravated selling is happening. So that is a concern for the bulls. But however, the domestic institutions have bought for about 1,460 crore, although it was not matching, but in the morning people have shorted heavily. Even this 1,460 crore buying now could have triggered the short covering. Coming back to the stock wise, for a third day, markets were falling, but for a third day, it is the Reliance indices which has saved the market. But IT index continued to move lower for the last 2 days, and today also fell, but Infosys was exceptional. Infosys came to green, then again fell, again turned around. Banking stocks also, from the lower level, most of the banks have seen some kind of a buying, but there are two banks which are doing hugely underperforming. One is HDFC Bank, other one is State Bank. State Bank, for obvious reason, I think the markets were not happy with the results. And HDFC Bank, obviously, there was a news. Its CEO said, the funding may be difficult. Going forward, their interest margin may be under pressure. So this kind of things. So therefore, HDFC Bank did not recover. State Bank did not recover. But however, ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, Axis Bank, so they recovered. And some smaller PSU banks also recovered very smartly. So still, we are in a dilemma whether to go higher or to go lower. And we are consolidating with a huge volatility. In just last 1 week, you remember, Nifty went from 20,000 to 19,300, from 19,300 again to 19,600, again from 19,600 to 19,250 today, again to 450 and so on. And as I said in the morning, today it was a double whammy for futures player. Market also, Nifty also fell, Nifty future premium also fell. And that is why the Nifty future fell more than Nifty. But of course, when there was a recovery, so that also recovered. So it'll be interesting to see. People are like, no need to talk about open interest. Now the people will close and sell call options. And no, I think now 19,600 itself may be a problem. But however, monthly view is still remain the same. 19,000 support, 20,000 resistance, and people selling 19,500 straddle. If they have the guts to stay calm, they would have made profit today also. Right? But there could have been MTM swing in between. But otherwise, I'm just checking the data. So if you are looking at the monthly options, 19,500, and call option fell 31 rupees, but put option increased only by 2 rupees. They would have made straight away 30 rupees profit, which is 1.5% return for the investment they have made. But I do not know how many people had the guts to hold on to the position until the end of the day. So anyway, the markets are too volatile. It will continue to be volatile, but tomorrow is a holiday, so that's a relief. So we will see on Monday, Wednesday, what is going to happen. So hope you enjoyed listening to this audio. Thank you for listening.